Hey, first the bad guy wey all of us know wey sing "This is Nigeria." Look how we living now. Everybody na criminal. This man don face our president o. Don face am because of wetin Buhari talk. And I go read wetin Buhari talk for una. He say, many of those misbehaving today are too young to be aware of the destruction and loss of lives occurred during the Nigerian Civil War. Those of us in the fields for 30 months who went through this war will treat them in the language they understand. I no come even wait since when Buhari start to dey handle in Twitter account, because that man he be like that man no too go school now, so I no even know sef say him sabi operate Twitter. But later I come see video where this man use him mouth talk this thing by himself, because I dey even feel say maybe na the person wey dey help am manage this account na him go write this thing, bia Buhari no fit talk am. But as e be like this, Buhari na him use him mouth talk this thing o. Make una watch this video.
Now, with all these people who want power, whoever they are, have they proved that I was not following the Constitution? Am I not leading the country according to the Constitution? What do they want? So whoever wanted diversion or destruction of the system at this point, I think will soon have their shock of their lives. I think those that are misbehaving, they were either too young, they didn't know what happened. But for those of us who went through all these things, we can't understand. So we will treat them in the language they understand.
But I don't see as Buhari face. In fact, this man, I never see president where they threaten in citizens. Say they go treat us. I still this president I no understand. But anyway, Falz don't give him the best reply. Falz self come talk say, what is this? Have you treated Boko Haram? Have you treated the kidnappers? Have you treated the bandits? And this thing are true. You know what Facebook Boko Haram still dey there. They still dey kidnap people, they still dey kill people. Every day, unknown gunmen. You never face that one. Now, people wey dey protest in peace, now there your power don't come outside. Say, you won't come face them. You go treat them in the language where they understand. Which language we understand? Check here, they pain us like you. Yeah, they pain us now. We dey okay. We know what they fight for. People know what they fight for. If the country good, nobody will come outside. They complain about your matter. But people they pain. People they vex. Now make they come outside. They complain this kind of matter. But as it be, as far as give them, I dey even fear for Falz. Me, I no come go kill this man. Because all of us know say Nigeria matter, you know they end for one place. You go talk this one now, after 24 hours, the person don't die. But as he be saying himself na celebrity, I sure say he go get them security, we go they guide them. But President Buhari, what do they do about this matter? This way for stock, you know lie. What do they do about this matter? Forget say, you not even suppose they threaten us. Now we vote for you, and as they vote for you, they feel comot you. You know what I'm saying? Nigeria self, with a fear. See person ordinary show where we go protest. Now they say they don't shoot them for leg. Talk less of say person when you even can't get them, they go just pack everybody like sardine, put them inside container, carry them, they go. Nobody go even hear about them again. They go just kill them. But Falz they fight, they fight for us. They fight for Nigerians. And in fact, Falz for president 2023. Because this guy they speak in mind. He know they fear anybody. Yeah, because him be lawyer. They always talk in mind. They give him as he say a pen him. Now so in they talk him. Other celebrities, they sit down for their house, they need to do anything. But this guy, they bold enough. They always tackle things. But president, you know supposed to talk this kind of thing. I beg you, Mr. President, you know supposed to talk this kind of thing. Because this kind of matter where you even talk, now you go even make people vex the more. Why you go say you want treat them as waiting? People now goats. Work no day, school no day. Some people their classroom like this. Now ground that they sit down on top. Rain go they fall, they go sit down on top of stone. You don't do anything. In fact, you suppose they focus on how you go take govern the country. Now, focus on what these protesters they talk about. How you want to solve them. Not be say you want to treat them. That means this whole protest will happen for Lekki where they kill. That means now you get plan for them. Now you do them. Now you run them. Because as they talk like this, that means anybody will still come outside now. Now another gunshot parade now we will do for us again. But as it be like this, think about how you want to govern this our country, because everything on the scatter. Today, this one. Tomorrow, that one. You yourself, you know they tire. Me, Nigeria don't even tire me. You wey be president, the country no dey tire you. The country sef suppose don even, in fact, make I no even talk say you suppose don even go sit down because you don old. Make young people come lead us. Make we sef see the difference. Your own sef don too much. People don tire. But as e be like this, na here I go leave this matter because you know say all this kind of Buhari matter, they no dey too talk am for long. Before person eye now go come dey target me say, na me ginger. I no ginger anything, no. Now as the matter come, na so I bring am o. As they take talk am, na so I bring am for now. I no get anything about this Buhari case, so make una no come hold me o. Now here I go end this matter o. Make una no forget to comment about this whole thing wey dey happen, and make una no forget say we go dey give una hot story as e dey come. Make una no forget to like, share, and subscribe as I go see una for our next story.